Colourpop is one of my favorite places to buy makeup and cosmetics. Today I will show how to get a coupon and get any makeup you want for free. First, you need to go to easygiftcodes.com/Colourpop. Then scroll down a bit and choose the gift code. Now just click on Generate button and wait for a moment. Now you can complete the CAPTCHA, and when you're ready, just copy the code and go back to Colourpop. Here on Colourpop, just start adding the products you want to cart. I will just add some random products. Now that I have everything I want in the shopping cart, I will go to checkout. There I can use the code. Paste in your code now, and click the apply button. Now you have applied the coupon code. Enjoy!